Okay, let us now see section 139, subsection 4C, return of income of scientific research institutions, university or college. Now, as you would have seen in various sections, section 10, various subclauses, there are quite a few scientific research institutions and universities and colleges whose income is exempt from tax. Now, what happens in those? That even though these people would have income, by virtue of these exemptions that they are entitled to, they don't have to pay any taxes on them. Again, as earlier also I had discussed, the objective of making them file their return of income is to see that whatever conditions are specified for each one of them under respective section, subject to which they are entitled to income tax exemptions, are satisfied or not. And therefore it's mandatory for them to file their tax returns under circumstances which are discussed below. The objective of section 139(4)(c) is to enable the assessing officer to check whether these institutions are satisfying the condition mentioned in the respective sections, subject to which the exemption has been granted. Where the income of, so what all are covered? Scientific research associations or research associations referred to in clause 21 of section 10, news agencies referred to in 20b of section 10, association or institutions referred to in clause 23 of section 10 and 23b of 10, or fund or institution referred to in subclause 4, or trust or institution referred to in subclause 5, etc., etc., and so many of them are covered here. So you need to know precisely as to what kind of institutions are entitled to these exemptions and what are the conditions for them. These all are required to file their return of income within the due date if the total income of any of the above before exemption under section 10 exceeds the maximum amount not chargeable to tax. Just like what we saw in the earlier videos, they are under an obligation to file their return of income if their income before the exemption exceeds the maximum amount chargeable to tax.